Something broke between us, not in what we said, but in the space that held it. Something left unsaid. We could feel the distance, even standing near, like a quiet disconnection we didn't know was here. But it's not beyond us, not too far to reach. There's a way back to each other, there's a way back into peace.